Hey guys, Jono from J Clark Constructions here, just repping the Simpson Strong Tide joist hangers. Now as you can see, we're right next to the ocean here, so I've opted to use the 316 stainless steel joist hangers. There's many reasons why I use these joist hangers and the sort of kit I've got going here. A couple of reasons are the standard joist hangers come at 0.8 mil. These bad boys come at 1.2 mil. The nails that we use in them are a ring shank nail. They're 3.75 mil in diameter compared to the standard mods that are 2.8 to 3.15 mil. Also, we've got these bad boys here. These are your 64 mil shear nails that are driven on a 45-degree angle, which means less nails and fast installation. And then this is the bad boy, the connector nail gun. Just here we've got the nails in here, and they're protruding just a little bit that we can positively locate the hole that they're going in. So what we'll do is I'll bring you around here and we'll show you how we install these. So I just smashed out 2 joist hangers then in a fraction of the time, purely for 2 reasons. One would have to be the thickness of these bad boys. Like I said before, they're a lot thicker than your standard ones, so therefore means less nails, and it means a lot faster putting them in. Second thing would have to be the connector nailer. I invested in this about probably a year ago, and I would never turn back. It's a dream. I pass it on to the apprentice and he smashes it out. Can't make a mistake. You don't have any bruised fingers at the end of it. So yeah, definitely I'd recommend looking at this kind of stuff. Head to Simpson Strong Tide if you want, AU, and they'll be able to help you out. Thanks guys.